Hey everybody, this is another Lord of the Rings how-to, and in this episode we're going to talk about building the encounter deck. In order to build the encounter deck correctly, you first have to decide what mode you're going to play in. There are three modes to play this game. Easy mode, which is recommended for beginners. There's regular gameplay mode, and then if you want a challenge, you would play the game in nightmare mode, which would require an extra purchase of what they call a nightmare deck. In order to set up the encounter deck, you can look at one of two things. You can either look at the A side of any scenario card, and you'll see that there are three set icon symbols. Those are the set icon symbols that you would need in order to build the encounter deck. The other way to determine how to build the encounter deck is from the rules insert or rules book. The Hunt for Gollum has a rules insert, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3 set icons which match the set icons for the scenario card. So playing in standard gameplay mode, you would take the three decks. This one is entitled Journey Down the Anduin. This one is entitled Sauron's Reach, and this one is from the adventure pack, The Hunt for Gollum. And you would combine all of these three. You would take these three, you would pile them up, and you would then shuffle them. Now, if you wish to play the game in easy mode, you will notice that some of the cards around the set icon have a gold ring. Those cards with the gold ring, you would remove from the encounter deck. Okay, so that this card would stay. This card, remove. Stay. Remove. Now, if you're choosing to play in nightmare mode, you need to purchase the nightmare expansion. This is the nightmare expansion for the Hunt for Gollum, which is the same scenario that I just had out. Within this, when we flip over the lead card, you will notice that it asks you to remove these copies of all the cards from the standard encounter deck and replace those cards with these cards here. And the nightmare mode is considered to be significantly more difficult in many cases than the standard mode and of course the easy mode of the game. Once you decide which mode you want to play the game in, you build your deck, shuffle it up, and then you are ready to start the scenario. I hope this helps and have a great day.